Do you know that feeling when you want to say a word in English, but it disappears from your mind? Don't worry. Today I will show you exactly how to stop forgetting words. Hello, everyone. I am Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today, we are going to talk about a problem many English learners face: forgetting words while speaking. This is very common. You know the meaning, but when you speak, the word disappears. I faced this problem too, but I found effective methods to fix it, and I will share them with you. Step 1. Understand why you forget words. There are many reasons. Lack of practice. Not remembering words in context. Thinking in your own language instead of English. Feeling nervous while speaking. Understanding the reason helps you solve the problem faster. Step 2. Learn words in context. Instead of learning a word alone, I learned it in sentences. For example, word, travel. Sentence, I like to travel to new countries. When you speak, you remember the sentence, not just the word. This reduces forgetting. Step 3. Repeat words daily. Repetition is the key. I reviewed new words every day. For example, morning. Review 10 words. Afternoon. Write them in sentences. Evening. Speak sentences aloud. This strengthens memory and reduces forgetting. Step 4. Use visualization. I imagined the word or picture in my mind. For example, word, apple. Imagine a red apple. Word, beach. Imagine the sand and sea. Visualization makes memory stronger. Step 5. Speak slowly and think. Sometimes we forget words because we speak too fast. I practiced slow and clear speaking, thinking about what I want to say. This helps retrieve words from memory. Imagine a big building full of books. Word, hungry. Imagine your stomach growling. Stories help words stay in memory longer. Step 16. Don't panic when you forget words. Sometimes I forgot words while speaking. I learned to pause, think, and use another word. Do not worry. Everyone forgets sometimes. Step 17. Practice speaking every day. I spoke daily, even small sentences. Gradually, I forgot less and spoke more confidently.